All right, so our binomial probability formula looks like this. This is a more compact form of it. This is the expanded form, and we're going to learn how to apply it to an example. Here's an example. Says it can be very difficult to make sales by means of telephone transactions. Suppose that it is known that only 10% of all business calls result in a sale. What is the probability that out of the next 15 such calls, exactly 3 will result in a sale? So first of all, we have to identify that this is a binomial probability indeed. Although, I mean, they kind of gave it away. But how would you identify if this is a binomial probability or not? Well, we'll start with how many possible outcomes do we have? So we're making phone calls and they either result in a sale or not, right? So is this binomial? Is this a Bernoulli trial? The answer is yes. This is a Bernoulli trial. Now, do we know what the probability of success is? Well, yes, it's known that only 10% of business calls result in a sale. So the probability of success is 10%, which is our lowercase p. Now, what is the probability of failure then? Probability of failure, which is denoted by lowercase q, is 1 minus p. So that's 1 minus 0.1, which is 0.9. That's the value of q, or probability of failure. Okay, now remember in the binomial probability, we are repeating this binomial trial a certain number of times. Okay, so which is denoted by lowercase n. So what's n in this case? The probability out of the next 15 such calls. So we're repeating this experiment 15 times. So n equals 15. Do we have the number of successes that we want to get? Yes, it says exactly 3 will result in a sale. So X is 3. The number of successes is 3. Okay. So we can plug it into our formula. We have 15C3 and then multiply by P2, which is P is 0.01, 0.1, to power X, which is 3, multiplied by Q, 0.9, to power n minus x. So 15 minus 3 will be 12. And we can put it into a calculator. And our probability is going to be 0.1285. So about 13% probability that we will get 3 sales if we make 15 calls. Now, in the next video, I want to show you how to calculate this probability using StepCrunch.